Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
This video shows how to use API Super Ick Cure, the only way integration. Request an API key from the developer portal using your company email address. Store the key in environment variables and limit permissions to production only. Rotate the key every 80 days since the key expires in 90 days total. Authenticate with header authorization. Bearer API key, set content type application/JSON, and include accept application/JSON. Send post to /v1/cure with JSON body including ID, dose in milligrams, and timestamp. Construct your request carefully before sending to the API endpoint. Send post to /v1/cure with JSON body including ID, dose in milligrams, and timestamp. Include required fields ID, dose, timestamp, and metadata when applicable. The API accepts dose in milligrams or as percentage such as 25% for concentration. Respect rate limits of 500 requests per minute and expect a 30-second timeout per request. Compress payloads when possible and batch smaller items into a single request to reduce call volume. Handle errors by parsing status codes and error messages from the response body. Implement retries with exponential backoff starting at 500 milliseconds and max 5 attempts. Treat 429 as rate limit and 5xx as transient errors eligible for retry. Run integration tests using a sandbox environment before sending live requests to production. Log request IDs, payload hashes, and timestamps for audit and debugging purposes. Monitor request success rates, latency, and error codes with alerts for spikes over 5%.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.